Gutters are one of the most important components of your home's exterior, playing a crucial role in protecting your property from water damage. However, many homeowners in Macomb overlook the importance of regular gutter maintenance until it's too late. Clogged, damaged, or improperly functioning gutters can lead to a variety of issues, including roof damage, foundation problems, and landscaping erosion. In this article, we'll discuss why regular gutter maintenance is essential for Macomb homeowners and how keeping your gutters in top shape can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Preventing water damage. The primary function of gutters is to direct rainwater away from your home's foundation, roof, and walls. When gutters become clogged with debris such as leaves, twigs, or dirt, they can no longer perform this function effectively. This can result in water spilling over the edges, potentially damaging your roof, siding, and foundation. Roof damage. When water backs up in your gutters, it can seep under your shingles, causing damage to your roof. Over time, this can lead to leaks and rotting, which can be costly to repair. Foundation issues. If water isn't directed away from your home's foundation, it can cause soil erosion and even foundation cracking. This can lead to significant structural issues that require expensive repairs. Siding and landscaping. Overflowing gutters can also cause water to run down your siding, leading to water stains, mold growth, and landscape erosion. Properly functioning gutters protect your home's exterior from these potential problems. Regular gutter maintenance ensures that your gutters are clear of debris and able to channel water away from your home, preventing water damage and saving you from expensive repairs. Extending the lifespan of your gutters. Gutters are designed to last for many years, but neglecting their maintenance can significantly shorten their lifespan. When gutters are clogged or damaged, they can start to sag, break, or rust, which means you'll have to replace them sooner than expected. Avoiding clogs. Regular cleaning removes debris from your gutters, ensuring that water flows freely. This prevents unnecessary strain on your gutters, reducing the risk of damage and extending their lifespan. Inspection and repairs. During maintenance, a professional can spot any small issues, such as loose fasteners, cracks, or rust spots. By addressing these problems early, you can avoid more severe damage that may require a full gutter replacement. By scheduling regular gutter maintenance, you protect your investment, allowing your gutters to perform their job efficiently and last for many years to come. Protecting your home's curb appeal. Your gutters are a visible part of your home's exterior, and when they're neglected, they can detract from your home's curb appeal. Clogged gutters can cause water stains on your siding or create unsightly growths of moss and mold. Clean gutters, clean home. Well-maintained gutters contribute to a cleaner, more attractive home exterior. Regular cleaning and inspections ensure that your gutters are free from debris, stains, and growth, helping to keep your home looking well cared for. Preventing stains. Overflowing gutters can cause water to run down the sides of your house, leaving unsightly streaks and stains on your siding. Gutter maintenance prevents this, keeping your home's appearance sharp and tidy. Protecting landscaping. Overflowing gutters can damage flower beds and landscaping by washing away soil, creating puddles, or promoting erosion. By keeping your gutters clean, you protect your landscape investment and maintain a neat yard. When gutters are properly maintained, they enhance your home's curb appeal and make your property look more appealing to visitors and potential buyers. Improving efficiency and preventing future costs. Neglecting gutter maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the road. Water damage, foundation issues, and structural damage to your home can add up quickly if left unaddressed. Additionally, if you need to replace your gutters due to improper maintenance, it can be a significant investment. Preventing costly repairs. Regular cleaning and inspections prevent the buildup of leaves and debris that can lead to clogs, which, in turn, cause water to spill over and damage your home's structure. By addressing small issues early, you avoid expensive repairs or replacements later on. Avoiding emergency services. Regular maintenance reduces the risk of gutter failure during heavy rainstorms or snowmelt, which can cause serious damage to your home. Keeping your gutters clear means you won't have to worry about sudden issues in the middle of a storm. Improving drainage. Ensuring that your gutters are free from debris helps with better water drainage around your home. Efficient drainage keeps your basement dry, prevents flooding, and reduces the potential for landscape erosion. By staying on top of gutter maintenance, you help your home function more efficiently and reduce the likelihood of costly repairs. Preventing pest infestation. Clogged gutters provide an ideal breeding ground for pests such as mosquitoes, termites, mice, and birds. Leaves and debris that collect in your gutters can retain moisture, making it a perfect environment for these pests to thrive. Mosquito control. Standing water in clogged gutters is a prime breeding ground for mosquitoes, which can be a health hazard. Cleaning your gutters prevents water from accumulating and minimizes the chances of pest infestation. Insect infestations. Moisture and decaying organic matter in gutters can attract insects, which may eventually make their way into your home. Keeping your gutters clean helps prevent this issue. Birds and rodents. Nests built in clogged gutters can invite birds and rodents into your home, causing potential damage and health concerns. Regular maintenance ensures that your gutters remain free of debris, minimizing the risk of pest problems. Conclusion. Regular gutter maintenance is essential for homeowners in Macomb who want to protect their homes from water damage, ensure the longevity of their gutters, maintain curb appeal, and prevent costly repairs. By investing in routine cleaning, inspections, and repairs, you can safeguard your home against a range of issues caused by clogged or damaged gutters. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Schedule regular maintenance to keep your home protected, your gutters functioning properly, and your property looking great.